Hello ACC Pumas. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at using your Navigate Planner to plan for upcoming semesters. To get to your Navigate Planner, make sure that you're logging into Navigate through a web browser. We can't get to the Planner or to the Schedule Courses tool through the Navigate app. Once we're logged into Navigate, we'll click the Planner tab at the top of the page to open the Academic Planner. First, let's take a look at the overall layout of the planner page. The planner is divided into three columns. To the far left, we have planning tools. The planning tools contain a number of different tools that can help us find classes. Next, we have the middle column. The middle column will display the different course information based on the planning tool we're using, and it's where we'll take action to add classes to a term. Finally, the far right column is my academic plan. We'll learn how to add terms to this column to create your academic plan detailing which classes you plan to take and the semesters in which you plan to take them. Now, let's get started. If this is your first time using the planner, you'll need to add a template. A template is an academic plan detailing the classes you need for your major. To add a template, make sure that under Planning Tools, the template drop-down arrow is turned up so that we can click the Add Templates button. Now we see a search bar in the middle column, and we can search for your major. You may turn up more than one result in your search, and that's okay. You just want to look under the catalog year to find your particular catalog year. And how do you know what year you're in? Well, one of your planning tools on the left is your degree audit. If you click your degree audit drop down and open My Degree Audit, that will open Degree Check, and Degree Check will tell you what your catalog year is. Or you can find your catalog year under My Goals by clicking your program and locating your catalog year. Once you've found the appropriate year, choose Add to My Templates. You will now click the View Selected Templates button on the left to see the template that you've added. Next, you'll need to add terms to your academic plan. Go to the far right column and click the three lines next to My Academic Plan. This will give you the option to add a term. Select the term or the terms that you want to plan. Now you're ready to plan your courses for the terms you've added. Using your template, click the drop-down next to the class you wish to take, click the three lines next to the blue link, choose Add to Term, and choose the desired term. If you add something by mistake, or if you put a class in a different term than the one you had wanted, you can, under your academic plan, click the three lines next to the class you would like to change, and you can either remove it from the term or move it to a different term. If you want to add multiple courses at once, you can click the Bulk Add to Term button. This will give you the option to add several classes to a term all in one go. So by clicking the classes that you want to add, you can scroll to the top of the page and click Add to Term, and then select the term you want to pull those classes into. And as you can see, that will bring over all of the classes that you had wanted to take in a particular term in one step. You may also want to check to see if your advisor has sent you a recommended plan. To do that, under your advising tools, click on Advisor Plans. You may see more than one, so make sure that you work with your advisor to select the appropriate plan. Once you know which plan to select, you can go ahead and click on that and see the plan in the middle column. Please pay attention to any comments that your advisor may have left. Notice that some comments may be comments about the semester overall, and other comments may be about specific classes. If there's a discrepancy between the plan you created and the plan your advisor has sent you, you can go ahead and work with your advisor to resolve that to see which one will work best. And if you wanted to go ahead and follow the plan that your advisor has sent you, that's no problem. We can always remove classes from the term by clicking the three lines and removing them from the term. And then to use the academic plan your advisor has sent, we'll just click the three lines next to the classes that the advisor has recommended that I take, and I can pull those classes over. Next, your academic plan or your templates will include placeholders. Placeholders stand in for required categories of classes, and they give you the option to choose the specific class that you want to take that falls under that category. For example, natural and physical sciences, arts and humanities, history, and restricted electives. There are a couple of options for choosing a class to fall under a degree category. When you see a placeholder, there will be a drop down that gives you a limited number of courses to take. You may choose any of these courses to add to the term to satisfy this degree category. Keep in mind, in many cases, these are not the only options that you have, and it's worth exploring these options to find the best class for you. To do so, open up your degree check. Again, to find your degree check under Planning Tools, click on Degree Audit and then open My Degree Audit. In Degree Check, you can see all of the different options for classes that would fulfill a particular degree category. Your advisor can also help you explore other class options. To add a class that isn't listed in your template, you'll need to do a course catalog search. Under Planning Tools, click on Course Catalog and then choose Search for Courses. Type the course code into the search bar, making sure that you don't put any spaces between the letters and the numbers for the class. Otherwise, that will generate an error. We search for the class. Once we find it, we'll click the checkbox next to the class, choose a term we want to add the class to, and then choose Add to Term. In some cases, a student may see that they have more than one template under their templates. Usually, most students should only have one template at a time corresponding to their corresponding major and catalog year. Exemptions would be students who are double majoring or students who are pursuing an associate's degree and a certificate at the same time. To remove a template, click the delete icon and then confirm that you would like to remove that template from your planner. You may also see that some classes in your planner are classes that you have taken previously, perhaps at another institution, and you have transfer credits to bring over. To mark those as complete, you can click the three lines next to the class and choose Mark as Met. Just know that saying it's marked as met in Navigate does not mean it actually fulfills the degree category. So if you think you have a class that you've already taken, please be sure to check in with your academic advisor. If you accidentally click a course as marked as met, you can click the three lines again and choose Mark as Unmet to remove it. Finally, if you'd like assistance with any part of this process, you have a couple of options to request assistance right from Navigate. Click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, and you can choose Schedule an Appointment to make an appointment with Academic Advising and Transfer. You can also click under the plus sign the Assistance Request option to receive a number of different choices for ways in which to get further support through Navigate. Note that in our planner, we have only said these are the classes we would like to take in a particular semester. We haven't scheduled any classes yet, and we haven't registered. For information about using Navigate to schedule and register, please use the Using Navigate to Schedule and Register video. Thank you for watching.